In my family, at the first bite, we can recognize the noodles made by my aunt. They are delicious, flavored with soy sauce, garlic and pepper. The saltiness is counterbalanced by the caramel. Here is her recipe. Soak the shiitake mushrooms for 4 hours. Cut the bamboo shoots into thin slices. Boil them in water for 10 minutes to remove their bitterness. Remove the excess water from the mushrooms. Cut them into chunks. The bamboo shoots are boiled for 10 minutes. Drain them. Cut 1 onion into chunks. The green onion into sections. Do the same with the cilantro. Chop the garlic cloves. Now, prepare the seasoning sauce. In a bowl, put 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half teaspoon of ground pepper. Combine. Untangle the noodles. You can watch my video to learn how to make homemade fresh noodles. Put them in boiling water over high heat. Briefly stir and let them cook. As soon as the noodles come up to the surface, after about 2 minutes, drain them. Combine with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to prevent them from sticking together. Now we can stir fry. Put 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan over high heat. Add the sugar, spread it in the oil and let it caramelize. When the few bubbles appear, add the garlic, stir for 10 seconds. Add the mushrooms and the bamboo shoots. Briefly stir. Then add half teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Occasionally stir for 2 minutes. Add the onion. Stir from time to time for 2 minutes. Add the noodles, the seasoning sauce. Occasionally stir for 5 minutes. Finally, add the green onion and the cilantro. Briefly stir. Then cut the fire. The noodles are ready. Bon appétit! La longévité.
Oh, longévité.
The pepper flavor makes this dish different from all the others. It is not hot at all. The bamboo shoots and the shiitake mushrooms are deliciously infused with the caramel and the soy sauce. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.